Servpro itself is the largest disaster cleanup restoration of fire and water damage in the country. Servpro of Warren County, we serve the customers of Warren County that have suffered a fire or water damage. In addition to the emergency services, we also do mold remediation, air duct cleaning, which is big this time of year. With people starting to go from their furnace to their AC, they want to or should get their air ducts cleaned out to make sure their home is healthy. A lot of people don't realize that we do commercial and residential cleaning, so they think of us as a restoration company. So a lot of times they're asking what we have to offer here, and that is those non-restoration services such as the air duct, carpet cleaning, mold remediation. So we have Servpro of Warren County, and then we have Servpro of Christian, Todd, Logan, and Simpson counties. So those are the ones that we service. We can go anywhere that a customer calls us to go to, but those are our 5 major counties.